A house fire does not just burn what the flames touch. It leaves char, soot, and smoke damage spreading through rooms the fire never reached. The first step is securing your home. We board up broken windows and damaged openings so your property stays protected while the work gets underway. Next, we remove charred materials and structural debris, clearing out anything the fire ruined so we can see what is left to save. Then, we clean the soot and smoke residue off your walls, ceilings, and belongings, and treat the space to pull the smell out at the source. Most fires leave water behind from putting out the flames, so we dry the structure out completely to stop mold before it starts. We serve Dallas and more than 30 nearby cities, ready to respond any hour of the day or night. If your home just went through a fire, do not face the cleanup alone. Call Water Damage Restoration Dallas at 469-804-9910.